Local news for Friday the 8th of December. A police operation in Wairarapa yesterday said to cause a significant dent in the supply of methamphetamine across the region. Police staff executed 10 search warrants at Wairarapa addresses directly targeting the ongoing supply of methamphetamine. 11 people have been arrested, males and females ranging from late teens to late 50s, all who are closely associated to each other. Between them, those arrested are facing 100 charges, including Class A drug dealing, other drug charges, money laundering and participating in an organised criminal group. They'll appear in the Masterton and Wellington courts today. Building activity in the Wellington region has grown strongly over the past year, according to Statistics New Zealand. The value of the activity rose 27% previous September year, the largest annual increase ever recorded for the Greater Wellington region. This included $704 million for new homes and $252 million for alterations to existing residential buildings. And in sports, this Sunday's Premier Grade Bidwell Cup Round 2 match between Greytown and the Hutt Academy has been cancelled as Greytown have defaulted. And tomorrow's cricket Umpires Cup matches, Red Star play Rathkiel and Greytown take on Lansdowne in what are supposed to be some quite close games. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.